Hi guys, my name is Nishal Karki and today we are doing routing and switching ICT3050. Um my student ID is 2023007778 and I have designed and implemented a medium-sized network using Cisco Packet Tracer. You can see here we have four medium networks, Net A, Net B, Net C, and Net D. Um, each network has a router 1841 and a layer 2 switch which is 2950-24. The routers are connected to each other using serial cables. You can see this red which is serial cable, and router are connected to the switch with fast Ethernet cables. Uh, in here, in all this network as a whole topology, I've used IP address space 172.16.0.0/16 and its subnet appropriately. Net A and Net B are Net A and Net B are assigned subnet of 77 and 78 hosts respectively, and Net C and Net D are assigned /22 subnet to support 778 hosts, which is my student ID. I also created a management LAN VLAN 99 using the 172.16.100.0/24 subnet and configured it all on the switches for the remote management. VLAN 99 is exclusively to manage the network infrastructure securely on PC2 and only on PC2 and PC5 from the network A are designed to this VLAN. So here is PC2 and this is PC5 and this is on net A. So just came up. So it's on net A, or we can say network A are designed assigned to this VLAN, ensuring that switch management access is restricted to unauthorized authorized devices. To support inter-VLAN communication between switches and router RC, which will be this router, I've configured a trunk link in between routers and its connected switches. Um, this allows VLAN 99 traffic to pass through while keeping it isolated from normal user traffic. For routing, I have configured RIP version 2 on router A, RA, RB, and RC, while router RD use static routing to reach the rest of the network via its connection on router RC. So basically RC is like main router, you can say, because it's connecting to every other routers. Um, I verify the routing tables on each router using so IP route commands to ensure proper routing, learning, and propagation. So if I go in here, and if I could just so IP routes. So you can see it's on our router RA. We have our RIP, and it's basically on every router RA, RB, and RC. So let me go on RB. See. So all these three routers has RIP version 2, and only RD router has static routing. So you can see the static routing here, and if we go here, you can see this R, which will be for your RIP version 2 routing. I have also configured basic network security onto my router, which I just did before here. If you see on the top, it was asking me password twice. I have changed the password to something uh, different than my classes. If you go to my uh, configuration here, probably my teacher can see what I have set it up. I don't wanna tell you on the video, but yeah, if you guys can just set it up whatever you would like to. Normally we do Cisco and a class, but I've made something slight changes onto this. Additionally, I added login banner to all the routers, displaying warning about unauthorized access. So in case if it's a wrong password, it will just say you the user unauthorized access, and it will just give you a warning. Now I'll demonstrate the network connectivity. First, I'll show you all router to router connection function correctly from router A to router B and router C and router B to router A and router C. So let me just ping. So my connection's gonna be 172.16.100. Okay, so ping 172.16.100.0. I think that's the one. Yeah, it's 100.2. So as you can see, it says success rate is 100%. So it's basically connecting to different routers from here. So router we are doing on router A. Uh, we are doing on router A. Sorry, just I think we are doing on router C. Yes, so we are just doing on the router C, and we are trying to connect router. We're trying to connect different routers. Let me just try to connect router uh, B from router C. Okay, let me just go in here. Let me just get its IP address. You can see here the success rate is 100%. So I was trying to connect from router C to router B, and it got successful here. In the same way, I can try connecting to router A as well. Let me just quickly grab its IP address. As you can see, again, it says success rate is 100%. So in this way, we can I have configure every routers, and basically every routers can ping each other. Um, and now I want to show you pings from PC to PCs. And by the way, I have also configured all the IP addresses for all the devices, uh, for the routers, switches, and even the PC. So everything is every devices has an individual routing IP address, subnet marks, and gateway. Okay, so let me just go in and probably I have already configured it before, or I have already pinned it before. So if you can see, I have already tried pinging before. Let me just try it again. I'll be trying to ping 172.16.0.10. Oh, sorry, type of mistake. Ping 172.16.0.10. You can see it's getting replied from the other PCs. So in this way, I have got all the responses with the loss of 0. So I have successfully connected every, like I have successfully pinged to other PCs. In the same way, I can basically ping every from every PCs to another PCs. Let me just quickly go in here. I have also done it before here too. So if I go ping 172.16.0.130, yep, you can see I've started to get the responses. So that will be all the responses. In similar way, I can do it from every PCs to every PCs. Uh, I've I've gonna I can show you all the ports are up. Let me just show you here. Uh, so this is my interface. You can see which interface is on. You can see the internet address, broadcast address. Um, you can go more down here. You can see Ethernet 0 is up. It's connected. Serial 000 is up and it's connected. In the same way, yeah. So serial 001 is also up, which is connected. So which will be one connection, two connection, and there should be one more connection, which will be serial. Let's this down. Serial 01/1/1 is also up and connected. So in this way, I've configured all the routers, switches, and PCs with uh, their individual IP addresses. These three routers are on RIP version 2, and this is on static routing. Um, uh, Probably from here as well, you can see. You can see it just goes away. But anyways, from here as well, we can see which are the links that's up and which are the links that are down. And this is all, guys. This is all the assessment project that I had, and that's it. Thank you.